Hello everyone, I have got this echodot and let me do the unboxing. So let's peel off the seal over here and then open it up. So when we open up, this is how it looks. It's a gray echodot and this is completely nice packaging over here. I can see that, and let's see what's in the box. In the box I do have a little bit of documentation, probably how to set up, what are the various things. So you have a microphone, volume up and down button, action button, light ring, and you have the auxiliary port and the power port, right? So now this is pretty basic documentation and how to power on and all the details. And now let's see, getting started, all the details about it, things to try. I'm going to keep it aside and let's see what else we have in here. So if you open this one up, you have a black great charger right over here. So let me take out, so this is how it looks. Let me take it out so that it's not going to get over here. Okay, so I have connected to the outlet right here, so you can see the left hand side port is going to be connected over here, and now you can see the very initial setup. You can see this is initializing.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Okay, cool. So as you have seen, if you leave it for like 30 second to 60 second, this is going to initial the ring color going to change from blue to orange, and I'm going to show you how to set it up.
As soon as you open up the app, it will ask you to continue. It will connect to the device. It will connect to your Wi-Fi. Then it will ask for the place you want to put it in. Then it will take your voice signature. It will just give you some prompt. Then it will register your voice signature and the voice ID will be created. Then you can give it a custom name. I'm giving Office Dot. Then you can proceed forward. And then it will ask whether you want to enable sidewalk. I disabled it, but it's up to you. And then it will just give you option getting started, various option in this particular app. You can scroll through it and it will give you all the details this particular device can able to do, or the features. Then that's all. This is what I have for now. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please do smash the like button. Please subscribe to the channel. Leave a fantastic comment, and as always, you guys are awesome. Thank you.